In order to set up recurring investments on Fidelity, the first thing you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says transfer in the top menu. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll and select over here where it says manage recurring transfers. So please go ahead and press on that. Then afterwards, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So you're able to either invest recurrently or you could transfer money recurrently as well. So let's just go ahead and press over here where it says create new activity. Then go ahead and select on investment. Then you guys are able to select on the security type over here. So whether it's mutual funds, stocks, ETFs, etc. Then you want to select on your account. It could be like a Roth IRA, for example. And then over here is where you actually want to type in the symbol of the asset that you would like to invest in. So let's say, for example, you wanted to go ahead and invest in the VOO. We can absolutely do so. Then you guys are able to go ahead and type in the amount in terms of dollars that you want to actually recurrently invest in. Now, here's where things get really important is you want to select the frequency. So you guys can go ahead and change it to every week, every 2 weeks, or monthly as well. That is 100% up to you. And here you want to start the start date and the end date that is optional as well. And what you could also do is you could use a linked bank account that is linked to your Fidelity account. So if you already have a bank account linked, then you can go ahead and turn that on, and then you're able to basically use that in order to source the funds for your recurring investment. And then afterwards, you're able to select on preview, and then you're able to make the purchase, and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.